The GuardDog Self-Closing Safety Gate from BlueWater Manufacturing is tough, durable, and easy to install in just minutes. The gate is designed to provide easy adjustability and optimum performance in any application where self-closing gate protection is required. The top and mid-rail gate sections are perfectly spaced to match OSHA guardrail regulations, and all hinges are laser cut for maximum versatility and installation on pipe, square tubing, and flush mount surfaces. Installation for the GuardDog Safety Gate is simple and easy for one person. The gate comes fully assembled and includes all securing hardware and installation instructions. The only tool required is a 1/2-inch wrench. To begin the installation, lightly attach the safety gate hinge to the railing with the provided hardware. Don't tighten completely so you can make adjustments. Next, slide the gate into position so the top of the safety gate matches the top of the railing. Then align the hinge bracket to be 90 degrees to the safety gate opening before tightening in place. You can easily adjust the gate hoop to the proper opening width by loosening the compression brackets. The gate hoop compression clamp ensures quick setup and makes adjustability a snap. The stop pin, welded to the hoop, ensures the gate will not exceed the maximum operational length nor pull out of the clamp. Be sure to operate the gate through full swing range prior to tightening the nuts. The self-closing feature employs 2 stainless steel torsion springs. Each gate is capable of swinging in either direction by simply inverting the installation position. When the GuardDog Safety Gate is installed properly, the top rail is located at OSHA's recommended nominal guardrail height of 42 inches above the work surface, and the bottom rail of the gate is at OSHA's nominal mid-rail height of 21 inches. The GuardDog Self-Closing Safety Gate is available in 5 nominal sizes, and each is adjustable laterally up to 6 inches. There are 3 different types of in-stock finishes. You can also order the gates in a variety of powder-coated finishes for custom applications. Our universal hinge assembly fits various railing types up to 2 inches outside diameter or flat surface mounting. Adapter kits are stocked and available for larger or uniquely shaped installation applications. BlueWater also offers a new gate, perfect for mezzanines and other areas that do not have adjoining structures for the gate to close against. The new self-stopping GuardDog Safety Gate features a positive stopping mechanism that adjusts easily in seconds.